Today in my kitchen, Judy's Keto kitchen, I am making egg yolk coffee. We're doing our precision PSMF challenge. We tell people for the first month, no dairy at all. So on off days, which is just regular keto, they cannot have cream in their coffee. And I tell them, you try egg yolk coffee. It's amazing. So I make coffee and I make it in this canister because if I make it in my mug, it goes all over the place when I pour it into this little blender. It's a BlendJet. It's a portable blender. I was at Ollie's yesterday and they don't have this brand, but they have other ones for like $14, so they're not expensive. There is a brand out there, I don't remember the name, they're like $40, so you don't need the really expensive one. So I'm pouring in some coffee, and in my coffee I have collagen and salt. And then to this I add my raw egg yolk and screw the top on, turn the blender on, and blend it. So the rest of my coffee goes into my coffee mug. Now people say, oh, raw egg yolk, can't have a raw egg yolk. Well, the coffee's hot. It's really going to cook the egg yolk, but I don't have a problem with raw egg yolks. I did have a video on YouTube that I made my egg yolk coffee, and people have been asking for it, and when I went to find it, it wasn't there anymore. So here I'm making my egg yolk coffee. Look how foamy that is. It, looks like a latte you get at Starbucks. So, Oh, this tastes so good. I'm telling you, you will not miss cream, milk in your coffee. You can do this with tea. When Carl had his tooth extracted, couldn't eat, he was doing this with bone broth. This is so good. Egg yolk coffee.